In this video, you will learn how to send a handwritten message on your iPhone like this one. So if you want to send hand-drawn message on your iPhone or iPad, this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to send handwritten message on your iPhone. In order to send handwritten message or hand-drawn message on your iPhone or iPad, you have to first of all open iMessage and go into the conversation in which you want to send the handwritten message. Here, tap on the message field, and after that, here you see currently there is return button, but if you turn it around and if you have turned on the auto rotate functionality on your iPhone, you will notice there is another button here on the keyboard, and that will simply allow you to enter handwritten text or message. So you can simply tap on it, and after that you can choose any of these pre-written or pre-drawn messages, or you can also create your own custom message by drawing it yourself. First clear this, and after that you can enter anything that you want to draw for sending. So you can simply draw anything with your fingers on this drawing pad, and after that tap done. Simply tap done and you will get the send button here that you can tap, and this message will be sent like hand-drawn text that you see here. But keep in mind, this only works if you have turned on the auto rotate functionality on your iPhone, and you can turn on auto rotate functionality by exposing the control center and then toggling it off. You can see when this is turned off, this will be auto rotating, and if this is turned on, the auto rotate functionality will be locked and this will not auto rotate. So you have to tap on this and ensure that it is not active, and after that you will get the drawing pad here on the keyboard inside the portrait mode on your iPhone. So this is how you can send hand-drawn or handwritten messages on your iPhone or iPad. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please hit the like button to let me know. And if you have got any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments below. I'll try my best to help. Thanks for watching.